back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Head Stock On9, bringing y'all another video, man. For everybody that's new, like, share, and subscribe, because you don't want to miss it. All right. Okay, this is what we've been talking about, man, because it's... Okay, ON3 turbo system. Okay. Are they cheap? Yes. Are they reliable? It's a hit or miss. Okay. All right. I've been going through some comments, some messages. Everybody always asks me, why ON3? Why you didn't go Helium? Or why you didn't do Aldo Welds or forget that other company, Fluid or CPR or some other stuff like that. Okay, the reason I went with ON3 is because I always wanted an ON3 twin turbo Mustang. Helium makes a lot of good shit. Yes, they do, along with some of the other companies, but I've always wanted me a ON3 kit. And it's funny because even the high dollar kits like Helium and all that other stuff, some of their turbos have issues as well. I be reading on the forums, a Helium kit, the turbo started losing oil, leaking oil and all that other stuff and whatnot. And yeah, I've seen all the bad reviews about ON3. They are, what they say, oh, the manifold are cracked. It's made out of cheap aluminum. You're gonna have to cut your car up to get it to fit. And the turbo's gonna blow out at about what, 1,000 miles. Oh, it's gonna do this, all that unnecessary ass shit. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yep, it's dirty, by the way. It's real dirty. Just been sitting here since my last track, nigga. But yeah, it's dirty as fuck up under here, by the way, man. Real dirty. But yeah, now I did have to change. Now I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna even lie for y'all. I did have to change to VS Racing gates, only because when we pulled it out of the kit, once we pulled it out of the box, one of my waste gates was, I can't remember if it was stuck wide open or went open. It wouldn't do something. So GM said, hey, just go ahead and replace them just to be on the safe side. You don't want to blow up your motor and such like that. So I did. I went on to replace both of them, even though only one was bad. So yeah, I did replace that. But other than that, I mean, he ain't have to cut nothing. He ain't have to modify nothing. Everything bolted right up. No issues. I don't put about 1,500 miles on that car. Let me see if I can get down in there. I don't put about 1,500 miles in that car. Ain't nothing cracked or none of that other off the wall ass shit that you hear. So, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I got one of the good kits. I don't know. But in the simple fact, I guess it's just what, you know, what the person wants. Personally, do I feel like I wasted my money? No, I don't. The car ran a good number for a base kit. I didn't even I didn't order the kit with any upgrades, just straight from ON3, bolted it on, base tune, that's it. So to me, yes, it's worth it. I mean, you got some guys that don't like turbos, they like blowers, so you know, to each his own. I'm not here to criticize or knock anybody on that, but if you're looking for an ON3, if you're looking for a turbo kit and the budget permits, ON3 is the way to go. I like it. No, I'm not trying to entice nobody to sell ON3. I mean, entice somebody to buy ON3 kit or nothing like that. I'm just saying, for the ones out there that's thinking about buying it, and you're reading all these reviews, people saying it don't fit and you're gonna run into this and this, it's a lie. You're not. You just gotta know how to put the kit on. Jim told me the same thing. He said, does he like the kit? Yes, he does. Will he put one on again? No, he won't. He didn't say it was because it didn't fit. It's just, you gotta really just take your time and put it on. So I don't think there's any fitment issues. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I like it. I like having cane enable up on the hood. Will I eventually swap to another turbo kit? No, not really. This one ain't gave me a reason not to. I mean, turbos are fine, no leaks. Everything is, I'm sorry y'all, it's raining bad down here, but yeah. Everything fit fine for me, in and out of there. Now, can I compare this to a Hell Horse kit or a Helium kit? I mean, to me, it's just different brand of piping. I think that's what the ON3 bad reviews are. Oh, it's just cheap piping, but I mean, it's lasted this damn long. I'm gonna put a few more 1,000 miles on it coming up shortly. I damn near almost race it. I ain't gonna say every other weekend, but when I can, and I haven't had any issues. Turbos ain't leaking. Couplers, I know they say the T-bolt clamps were cheap. I haven't had any issues with these. The X-pipe, I also read that they say the X-pipe didn't fit. My X-pipe fit fine. However, he did have to make me 2 brackets because I'm running the open X-pipe. So he did have to make me 2 U-joint brackets welded.
That X-pipe, that's gonna set knock sensors off. I gotta make something, a bracket to weld from here and here, both of there, to keep
to each side of the frame, so that would fit well, so it would stay in when wobble and vibrate and all that other stuff. But yeah, man, for all y'all that's wanting a turbo kit at a good price, I think this one was around 4,000, something like that. You can get it on Beefcake Performance, Terry at Beefcake Performance. Yeah, man, I just wanted to address them issues because, I mean, at the end of the day, everybody got their own preference. You know, some people like Whipple, some people like Pro Charger, some people like Magnus and all them different types of blowers and stuff for the application of these cars. So it just comes down to what you want. But me, I went against all the negative comments that I had seen and heard, even from people locally, and I'm proud. I'm proud of it. I like it. I like my cheap twin turbo kit with the China yin yang war whistles. I'm happy with it. It hasn't gave me any issues, and if I ever get another Coyote, I would go with ON3 again, hands down. Once again, not trying to do a sales pitch or get anybody to buy ON3. I'm just saying, just clearing up for some of the rumors and errors that people hear with the kit. Now, you might find some that have ran into issues, couldn't get the kit to fit, had to cut it up to get it to fit. But in my case, that wasn't it. And you know, everything doesn't work for everybody. Somebody could go buy the same kit and have all the issues in the world. But I didn't, and I feel just because it was cheap does not make another kit no better than this, because there's an issue with everything out here in the performance world. Now, I done seen even expensive parts fail, while the ones you get off Amazon and eBay last a long time. So at the end of the day, it's a hit or miss all the way around. It's a big gamble, and it looked like I hit with this kit. Yes, sir. So it's stock 09. I had to speak my piece on this. ON3 to the front. We out.